This angle here on the armature matches the render perfectly.
Right, that stabilizes the upper section. We can proceed with this.
The curvature on the arm needs to match the sketch exactly. See this line?
Yes, I see it. We can refine that in the next iteration before the pour.
Look at the resolution on the drapery folds.
It's excellent, but I think the arm needs a slight rotation before we finalize the G-code.
That looks much better. The adjustments stabilize the structure.
Agreed. We can send this version to the printer. The details look accurate to the design specs. Absolutely. This is ready for final approval.
The details look perfect here. We are ready to sign off.
Agreed. Excellent work. It's approved.
This section seems slightly off-center based on the specs.
The laser scan confirms the variance, but the stress points are well within
The structural balance is confirmed. We can proceed with the cladding.
Agreed. The analysis looks solid.
We need to take this section down a bit more, right here.
Yeah, I see the line you mean.
Does that match the schematic on the tablet?
Yes, the red line is perfectly aligned with section 3.
Should the parting line follow the contour here or straight across? The schematic suggests the contour is better for demolding. Let's mark it following the curve.
Tap it down gently right there.
Okay, the seam is flush now.
Perfect. Let's get the other clamps on. Hold it steady while I tighten this. Got it.
Are the straps secure?
Almost. Just one more click.
Check the seam right here on the shoulder. Looks good. I'll make a note on the sheet. The base seems solid too. The casting looks good here. Right.
Wait, check the left forearm. The texture seems rough.
Make the adjustment slightly to the left, very slowly.
The readings are completely stable now. Excellent work.
As you can see, the load distribution is evening out now.
Good. The reinforcement worked as expected.
Looks good, ready for transport.
Yeah, that's secure.
Check the gauges on this one, and we need the temperature stable before we move it. Understood, boss. I'll prep the forklift.
I believe it is finished. Look at the texture.
Absolutely perfect.
I think it's perfect. Absolutely stunning work.